Hello, Justin from Concrete Solutions. This is Joel from Magnet Marketing SEO. Now I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can beat your competition online. And the first thing, I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to waste mine, so I'll try to make this as quick as possible. At the end of the video, you want to hear more information, let's set up a 10-minute call. If not, no problem. Take these tips and you can use them on your site. First thing I want to talk about today is content. So I'm on your homepage, and I'm basically looking to see how many words you have. Ideally, you want to have 1,500 words of content on your homepage. And the reason that you want so many words is that Google will kind of send some robots through your page that will scan it. And what they're looking for is the amount of words you have. They're also looking for keyword phrases in there. And those can be saved in pictures or even in your header, which we'll talk about in a little bit. So 2 reasons. Number 1, it does help to have more content. It's going to set you apart from your competitors. 99.9% of websites or businesses do not have enough content on their homepage. So that would set you apart to have it. Second thing, you can put more keywords and keyword phrases into that content the more you have. So for example, we put in concrete contractors, Springfield, Illinois, just to give a little more volume. I know you guys were based just outside of there. So what I want to do is, this kind of simulates what a new customer is going to put into a Google search. First thing you normally would see is the ads, which we're not seeing any for here. So I don't think anyone's paying for ads in your area right now. But after that, we're going to find the map section, which is normally the second thing you see. And the top 3 companies just show up in this little preview screen here. And that's all based on citations, which are just when you get your company name, address, phone number, all listed together into a directory site like Yelp, Yellow Pages, or Home Advisor. There's many more different ones. I'm just going to name a few of the bigger ones. And so next we have the actual results. This is where you start getting the companies showing up with their websites, basically what you originally had kind of searched. And these don't show up by accident or randomly. This is all based on Google's formula that they use to kind of rank sites per keyword. So remember, our keyword was concrete construction, Springfield, Illinois. So if we were ranking this term, we would give number 1 to Home Advisor, number 2 to Better Business Bureau, number 3 to Yelp, and those are all directories. And 4 would go to, let's see, what's their name? Anders Concrete. So let's go ahead, and I want to analyze your page a little bit. And one little note on that, there's 10 results per page when you do a Google search. So if you want to be on the first page for a keyword, you have to rank in the top 10. So what I did was I went ahead and took your site and I plugged it into a program I use called Ahrefs. So here it is, and I can see right away you guys did use a header, which we talked about. And it's basically just your business name, which is a good thing because you want to get your name out there. And that actually can be a keyword that you can be searched for, and we'll talk about that. And if you think of the internet just as kind of a popularity contest, whoever has the most votes is going to get the most attention, the most views, and so on, right? So right now you guys have one referring domain. That's a website that has a link on it that will bring you back to a page, which would be J&A Concrete Solutions. And so here's the one domain, and it's got one link on it, which is sending you back. And you guys do have one keyword right now that you can be searched and found for in search engines such as Google. And this is what really will drive your traffic to your site. Unfortunately for you guys, because you only have the one, you guys are averaging 0 visitors to your site per month right now. So let's just take a quick look at your keyword. Let's see what it is. And it's your name, which is what I kind of thought it would be. J&A Concrete. 70 people do search this every month. And for this term, you guys are number 80. So you're basically at the bottom of the 8th page for this one. So, this is your name. People are looking specifically for you. This is going to be your repeat customers and referrals. And the problem is, though, are they going to go to page 8 to find you? Afraid not, even if they are looking specifically for your name. Most people are going to stop after page 1 and might get to page 2. So I want to look at one of your competitors, Anders Concrete. I'm going to plug them into Ahrefs as well and just kind of look and see what they have going on. They have 8 referring domains that are sending them 25 links to their page, 41 keywords they can be found for. And their traffic is not that high either. It's only a 13, which is coming from these keywords. So let's just take a look at their keywords. Let's see what they're doing here. Ideally, you want to have kind of a mix of your own and ones that bring in new customers. So Concrete Springfield, Illinois, that's a good one. 100 people do search it. And they're number 3 for that. So that's really good. They're on the first page, and top 5 is excellent. Concrete Company, Springfield, Illinois, was at 60 more. Number 4 for that one, so top 5. And then they have their name here, Anders Construction. So this is usually a little higher. 60 people do search that, and this is why, because they're 15 for this one, right? So if they're 15 for their own name, that puts them in the middle of the second page. So the problem is, again, people may not be finding them on that page. It looks like they're really not. This will bring you the repeat customers, and then you want to have the terms that bring in the new customers, and they're ranked really high. And you can see if we just kind of look down briefly, for most of these, they're in the top 5. You want to be in the top 10 for all of these, then get to the top 5, and if you can, get in the top 3. But Springfield Concrete, they're 17, so a little further back, and their own name there, the 15. All right, so that's just a little bit about content, backlinks, and citations. Take these tips with you for free today. If you want to hear more, let's set up a 10-minute conversation. The only thing we ask with this little video is that, we'll follow up with you on Monday, and just let us know what you thought of it. I just want a little follow-up for ourselves here. And just let us know what you thought of the video. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you.